You again? Why don't you give up? Don't waste your time in these jungles. Go back and enjoy the luxuries of your palace.
I will not rest, Betal, until I've kept my word. So come with me, or else.
All right, all right. Have it your way. But you know my conditions? You will have to listen to a story during our journey and not utter a single word, or I'll fly back to my abode. Loosen your grip. Don't be so cruel.
You have been cheating me, Betal. If I had not promised the hermit to get you alive, I would have cut you into pieces for your mischief. No, don't play games again or I'll be even more cruel.
I don't intend to trouble you, Vikram. But escaping is my nature, and I cannot give up that easily. But I will try. Let me tell you another story to help you better pass this tiresome journey. The richest merchant in the city of Ujjaini had a son named Gandharva Sen, who was very good looking and had a prince-like lifestyle and demeanor. All the young women of Ujjaini longed for him, but none of them ever impressed him. Being a devotee of goddess Kali, he visited the Kali temple every day. One day, as he came out of the temple after offering his prayers,
Goddess Kali, I confess that I have not been able to worship you with sincerity. But you know my mind keeps thinking about that girl and I seem to have fallen in love with her. Mother, if I get married to her within 1 month, I swear to offer my head in your feet.
Gandharva Sen, what has happened to you?
Devdutt, when did you arrive?
I came back this morning from abroad. I heard about your fasting and ill health. Why are you doing this? Tell me. What's the problem? I'll help you out. Don't worry. I promise you, wherever that girl is, I'll find her for you.
Gandharva Sen knew his best friend would spend days and nights looking for the girl. Devdutt, with his love for his friend and determination, finally located the girl. Devdutt told the girl and her father everything and asked for the girl's hand in marriage for his friend.
Yes, both have agreed for the marriage and the girl is happy with the proposal. Now break your fast and let's prepare for a grand marriage.
You have married that girl, Gandharva Sen. You have forgotten the promise you made to Goddess Kali. You promised your head. You promised your head, Gandharva Sen, and you forgot? You are a selfish man. You are not a man of honor. You are a cheater. You are a cheater. I'm not a cheater. I'll fulfill my promise tomorrow morning. I'll offer my head in the feet of Goddess Kali. Yes, I'm not a cheater.
You called for me?
Yes, we are going to the temple. You too come along. I'll go in and offer prayers to the goddess while you take care of your sister-in-law until I'm back.
Why is he taking so much time? Wait, I'll check and come back. How will I explain this to everyone? People will suspect me and think that I killed my own friend. What will I tell my sister-in-law?
Terrible sight shook even the goddess. And a divine light appeared and joined the head back to the bodies. But by mistake, Devdutt's head was joined to his friend's body and vice versa. Now tell me, Vikram, who would she take as her husband?
That's a very tricky question, Betal, but has a very simple answer. Face is the identity of any human being. So, she would take the one with the face of her husband as her husband indeed.
You're right as always. But why are you tightening your grip? It hurts.
Because I won't let you escape this time.
I told you, I won't escape now. Please don't hurt me.
You better not try, Betal.